Here's the setup. It's been a work in progress for many years. As you can see, it's quite a cluster of wiring and electronics to make this whole thing work. There's a variable squeeze pump. The system is run on Arduino, two Arduinos, one that controls the majority of the functions, and this one controls the squeeze pump. It's a stepper motor, variable speed squeeze pump, a strainer filter, an oil preheater, there's a secondary oil preheater, and a combustion fan. And there's the flame inside. I don't know if you can see that, if it would focus. Yeah, it doesn't look like my camera's gonna focus. Oh, there it goes.